sides. So today we'll be reacting to BgA, Boys Generally Asian. Who's it gonna be? Official music video.
By the way, they are the legends of the K-pop. Oh, come on! Welcome, Redsi and
Joya. So, 가자.
야, 진짜 고민할 거 없다니까. 아니 뭐 어차피 네가 뭐가 아쉬워서 다 같이 해. 실력 되지, 얼굴 되지. 너 혼자 할 수 있는 거야. 걱정하지 말고 형 한 번만 믿어. 알았지?
알았지.
사인해. 형이 스타로 만들어줄게. 대신 너 혼자다. 기억하고.
Layo ko bigay damo kay ko kanon.
Nice sila kang ano no, kanang
Cinematography.
oh. Kanang ano, video quality.
Cinematography ganino.
Alright.
Random name, group color, new song. That's what we gotta figure out. Easy. Why are we doing this again? That's what we need in order to be a K-pop band. Says who? Everyone. Comments. Google. How's the fandom name? Fandom name is basically what the fans call themselves. You know, like Justin Bieber fans are called believers. Don't we already have a fandom name? The BgA Army? According to the comments, that's already taken by some other group called like Behind the Scenes. Well, since our first and only song is about poop, again, thank you for that, David. What? Maybe something like Kpoopers? Yeah, that makes sense. I don't care. That's pretty cool, but do you think the fans would like being called Poopers?
Poopers.
Okay. Most of our fans are girls, and girls like poop jokes. So, cool. Alright, we got our fandom name. Next thing on the list, we got group color. I'm just gonna throw it out there. I personally like silver. I could do silver, right? But that's like second place. What? Gold though, I was good in gold. You know what I'm saying? You don't know what I mean? No. Super silver. I'm fine with it. Yes, which one do you prefer? Yeah, gold or silver? Obviously gold, right? You know I'm convincing. Oh, you idiot. Can we do both? Yeah, I'll see why not. Actually, I never really thought of that before. Yeah, I've never seen two colors. Yeah, we can have glow sticks that K-pop groups have. Like a silver and gold option. Yeah, and we can have our logos like BgA.
Oh god, that is the dumbest idea ever. Silver and gold doesn't even go together. Who's gonna buy these glow sticks? I'm not putting my money in for that garbage, man.
Okay, well, you know what? We'll just come back to it because it's not that important. What we really need to figure out, your song. We haven't had a song since last year. Well, whatever it's about, I better get some lines in this one because you took all the lines last year. You're the leader. You're the leader? Are you kidding me? I'm obviously the lead. Have you not read my Twitter feed? They all say so. Have you read the comments? You're like everybody's least favorite. Yeah, because you hog all the lines.
Okay, I'm pretty sure June is everyone's least favorite. I don't care about being the leader. I just better be higher than June.
I think I'm about second place because I like silver. What silver? You just said that you like gold. Now you're flip-flopping, but all of a sudden...
Okay, all I know is I better be higher than June. Okay, you be on the bottom.
You be on the bottom. Alright. Okay, we're not gonna get anywhere like this. There's only one way to figure out who the leader is. How? We make a song with everybody in it, equally, and we just see what happens. Okay, but what's the song gonna be about? Exactly what we've been talking about this whole time. Who's it gonna be?
Oh my god, that better not be the name of the song. That is so
Kebuasan jadi tadi eh.
One of us will rise, the rest will fall. 우리 중에 한 명 될 거야. 누구가 전이지?
Nama yan na sila director.
Who's gonna break out with the rest of me?
Kasi Korean sila ha. Kato.
Si Jun, Amara, si Jun Korean.
Kana ka pink kana.
Eh, Korean na siya kay Jun Korean. Yung ano.
Katong ano, katong isa na tambo.
Oh, katong po siya.
Kana Korean na
Oh,
siya.
kana po siya.
Next date mahal.
Kaya si Ryan Niga kay Japanese mata na siya.
Gusto mo yan nila na ano kan Jun.
Ahead kang Jun. Oh, ano ba siya? Siya ba naganan na? YouTuber mo na siya.
널잘 되고 있는 너 너무 행복해 너울이 떠나서 아직도 널 사랑해
Wala na ako eh.
June? Is that really you? What are you guys doing? Why do you look like that? Look, man. We're happy for you. We really are. Ever since you left the group, it's been really tough for the rest of us. Yeah. We've just been doing all we can to get by. But it's only been 1 week.
1 week.
But it's been a really tough week.
Why are you even talking to this traitor? He left us! You left us! We know all about your talking to the manager and your little contract. So why are you even here?
Actually, that's exactly why I'm here. This pretty much guarantees me fame, money, and everything that we've been working for together as a group. But it says I have to do this alone, without you guys. Which is why I felt the need to come here and do this. What's the point of fame and fortune? It's not with you guys.
Masagad na yun.
What the hell were you thinking, man? Like, yeah, you're gonna take it the money. Now, we're gonna put this back together, or we could tape it with glue. I have some glue in the closet. Well, we're gonna try to see if we have other pieces. Or do
Like stick. Poop!
Real Bazaar dati.
silver doesn't.
Real Bazaar. Meron.
Sponsor.
Idiot. And it's sign. Right on his nose. There you go. Right, guys. It's gone. There. It's good. There you go. Guys, it's in my email. I can print out another one.
Samu ka na ba yan, Niga? Grabe, mas 200 kayo nila ilangan na ba yun?
Who's gonna break out, leave the rest to bleed.
Leave the rest to bleed. Woo!
Nice! Very, very nice!
That was
Obviously,
awesome.
I'm the leader.
Asa mata.
You followed all the lights. Hold on. Fucking lights up. Just keep going. Oh, that's good, dude. I like it. What am I doing? It's over! It's over! It's over!
Make it number 1.
Wow.
Thomas,
Nice!
number 1.